snowflake gently fall on the ground. We gather here today to spread joy, kindness and love.
Good morning to the respected Honorable Enrichment Head, Coordinator Ma'am. We, the students of 5A, welcome you all to this joyous Christmas celebration.
Christmas is a time for dreams, a time for magic and a time for wonder. It's a time to believe in the possible, to cherish the love that we share with our family and friends, and to make memories that will last a lifetime.
Remembering God is the best start of the day. So I request everyone to rise up and fold their hands.
Good morning everyone. Today's thought for the day is peace on earth will come to stay when we live Christmas every day. I repeat, peace on earth will come to stay when we live Christmas every day. This thought means that Christmas brings a transformative magic, making the world kinder and more beautiful. It reminds us that every day we have to be joyous, compassionate and enhance our relationships with others. Thank you.
For the wonderful thought. Let's keep this thought in our minds as we move further.
Now we have our news readers from the newsroom to tell us what's happening around the globe and the weather update.
Today's national headlines are Delhi cops chase 175 illegal Bangladesh migrants. Bengal, Bihar was hit by arsenic contamination. Government forces panel to boost Indian Air Force. ISRO to conduct experiments on growing plants in space.
Today's international headlines are: drones hit Russian fuel depot again, China cracks down on Canadian groups, people over Tibet, stampedes in Nigeria leaves 32 dead.
India. Today's sports headlines are: India bagged Women's Under-19 Asia Cup title. Dubai to host Indian Games. Real Madrid move up to second with 4-2 win against Sevilla.
Today's weather report is maximum temperature 21 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 7 degrees Celsius. Sun rose at 7:16 am. Sun will set at 5:28 pm. It will be partly cloudy today. Thank you.
Melodious Kumbaditya and Bhavesh.
Today, I and Bhavesh are here to share a poem on the joyous occasion of Christmas.
Cherish today along the way. Happiness around us on this day.
Rise and shine, the stockings have presents. Incredible toys shining its ambience.
Snowflake dance in winter's air. The warmth of kindness everywhere.
Melodious songs take flight as we gather round the tree tonight.
Stories shared through laughter, song. Dreams of peace where we belong.
All is calm, all is bright. Unity cheer our hearts alight. Thank you.
Wow, what a wonderful poem it was. Now I invite Avishi and Divik to tell us more about Christmas.
Historical significance. Christmas commemorates the birth of Jesus Christ, observed primarily on December 25th by Christians around the world. The holiday has its roots in both Christian and pagan traditions. Global celebration. Christmas is celebrated in various forms across different cultures. Countries such as the United States, Canada, Australia, and many European nations recognize December 25th as a public holiday.
Economic impact. The Christmas season significantly impacts the global economy, with millions of people participating in holiday shopping. In the US alone, retail sales during the holiday season can account for a substantial percentage of annual revenue for businesses. Cultural traditions. Every country has its unique Christmas customs. For example, in Italy, the Feast of Seven Fishes is a traditional Christmas Eve meal, while in Germany, the Christmas brings gifts on Christmas Eve. Thank you. Thank you, my dear friends. Moving on further with our assembly, students of 5A are presenting a role play on birth of Jesus Christ. So dear audience, get ready to dive in the festive cheer.
Everyone, Merry Christmas.
I love this festival. Yes, me too. I was longing for the Santa's gifts a lot, and finally the day has come.
Me too. But children, do you know we call it Christmas because Jesus Christ was born on that day? Really? But now you have to tell us the story of Jesus Christ. Sorry children, I have to go for work. Maybe next time.
Go Uncle Nicholas, please tell us the story.
Okay, but only one story at a time.
Yay!
The Christmas story. A young Jewish girl named Mary lived. She was not married, but she was going to be married real soon to a good man named Joseph. Well, one day something amazing happened.
Who are you?
I'm Gabriel. Don't be afraid, Mary. You have found the favor with God. He loves you very much. God has sent me to tell you that soon you're gonna have a son.
Me, a son.
Yes, a son. He will be called Jesus. He will be great. He will be called the Son of God.
Mary was very obedient.
I'm the handmaid of the Lord. May Lord do whatever He wants to.
Mary wanted to do just as God told her to do. Just near the time Mary was about to have a baby, the Roman Emperor sent soldiers to announce a new law.
Hey everyone, the Emperor Caesar Augustus says that all of you need to pay taxes and now register for census.
So Mary and Joseph made their way to Bethlehem because that's where Joseph had to pay taxes. It was about 65 miles from Nazareth to Bethlehem, and this took many days. And when they reached Bethlehem, guess what happened? All the places were full. Mary, you wait here. By then I will try to find a place for us to stay.
Okay, I will wait here.
Joseph kept knocking and knocking again and again, and Mary was about to have a baby. A place no one would expect, the Son of God to be born. And it wasn't a palace, not a castle either. God's Son was born in a humble small stable. I'll go and get some fresh air, where you can stay for the night. That night, Jesus was born. There was no crib, so they laid baby Jesus in a manger. Near Bethlehem, that night, there were some shepherds keeping a watch over their flocks of sheep, when suddenly a fairy appeared to them.
I have a good news for you. There is a Savior who has been born.
Who is the Savior?
The Son of God.
The angel told them where to find him after they had seen Jesus. They spread the news and everyone who heard was in wonder.